Hi all, today we're going to do a little drawing exercise and we're going to have a look at how we can draw ellipses. Now an ellipse is a circle when viewed from an angle or when viewed in perspective. So for instance, this mug here, you can see the top, if I hold it straight on like that, is circular. But if I show it at an angle, you see that circle becomes squashed. Now drawing that and making it look accurate can be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to start off though by showing you how not to do it, because people make the same mistake over and over again when drawing ellipses. Okay, so here we go. So those are the basics. Now I'm going to show you how you can use that technique to build up a simple drawing. And I'm going to be drawing the mug that I showed you earlier. Okay? So there you are, that's how you can draw an ellipse. And you'll have seen in the video that when I started building the ellipse up, I went round and round with the pencil, even before the pencil was touching the paper, and then slowly started to build up that mark on the paper. And once you've got the basic marks there, you can go back into it and you can define the lines that you want to keep. All right, why don't you go and have a go. See you soon. Bye.